in this video, we'll be solving the given numerical. So the problem statement says that a coin is tossed 1000 times and head comes up 540 times. So we have to decide on the hypothesis that coin is unbiased. So first let's assume that coin is unbiased. So for an unbiased coin, we can say that probability of getting head and probability of getting tail is same, that is 1/2. So next they have given the head comes up 540 times, right? So x bar is 540. So here we have to write the expected number of heads turn up for 1000 toss. So the expected number of heads to turn up for 1000 tosses would be 1000 into P, that is 1000 into 1/2, that is 500. 500 would be the mu or mean. So we know mean, we know x bar value, we know P and Q. So now we can write the formula Z value, that is standard normal variate, as x bar minus NP by under root NPQ. So if you have watched the formulae video, I have explained this formula. So applying these values in this formula, x bar value is 540 minus n value is 1000. No. See, NP value can write it as P value is 1/2, right? And n value is 1000. So 1000 into 1/2. That is 540 minus 500 by the bottom we have 1000 into 1/2 into 1/2. So solving this we get 2.5298. So 2.5298 is less than 2.58. So 2.58 is the significance level for 1%, right? So we can say that 2.5928 is less than that. Thus the hypothesis is accepted and the assumption can be stated as it is true. So the coin is unbiased. Similarly, we have one more question that says a coin was tossed 400 times and 400 times, two heads turned up and 216 times. So we have to test the hypothesis unbiased at 5% level of significance. So here they have specified 5% level of significance. So let's write the formula. Z is equal to x minus NP by under root NPQ. So here P value we know that is 1/2, Q value we know that is 1/2, and x bar value they have given as 216, right? So firstly we have to write mu, that is expected number of heads to turn up for 400 tosses. So it would be 400 into heads is 1/2, right? So 400 into 1/2 is 200. So substituting all these values in this formula, we get 216 minus 200 by under root of 400 into 1/2 into 1/2. So if you solve this, you get 1.6. We have to understand that at 5% level of significance, the constant value is 1.96. So the Z value should be less than 1.96. Then only we can say that the hypothesis is accepted. So here we can easily make out that 1.69 is less than 1.96. Thus the hypothesis is accepted at 5% level of significance, and we can conclude that the coin is unbiased. So I hope you have understood how to solve these numericals. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.